गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो आज हम ऐसी समस्या के बारे में बात करेंगे जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में प्रॉब्लम बन रहा है, जिसका नाम है ओबेसिटी। सो व्हाट इज़ ओबेसिटी? ओबेसिटी इज जस्ट एक्सेस बॉडी फैट एक्युमुलेशन इन द बॉडी। सो सिम्टम्स क्या है उसके? हम टायर्डनेस फील करते हैं, वी कांट परफॉर्म डे टू डे लाइफ एक्टिविटीज़, टायर्डनेस, लेजी। तो what are the causes of obesity? Sedentary lifestyle, not following a correct diet, eat junk foods, drinking alcohol, so imbalance of hormonal like hypothyroidism। तो बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम। तो ये जो ओबेसिटी की प्रॉब्लम है हम क्योर कर सकते हैं बाय डूइंग सम ऑफ द योगा आसन। सो लेट गेट स्टार्टेड विद आसन्स। The first asan is Trikonasana. So how to do Trikonasana? I will demonstrate you. The distance of your leg should be 4 to 5 feet. Turn your right foot on your right side and bend from your hip joint and hands parallel to the floor. As you inhale, go down, keep your back straight, go down and try to touch with your hand with your heel and look up, and your both hands should be in one line. Keep your back straight and focus on one point. Look up, breathe should be normal and come back to the original position. Now same procedure is on another side. Turn your left foot on your left side, hands parallel to the floor. Go down slowly as you exhale, inhale. Try to touch your left leg heel with your left hand and look up and breathing should be normal. Hold this asana at least 30 to 35 seconds. Breathe normal. Okay, then come back to the original position. And this is called Samasthiti position. Now next asana is Vajrasana. So for Trikonasana, what are the benefits? It will improve your lower back flexibility, and the contraindication of this asana is the person suffering from lower back pain, they will not perform this asana. Okay, the next asana is Vajrasana. Okay, first of all, sit in the Dandasana. Spread up your leg. Now bend your right leg knee, and now bend your left leg knee and place the बटक। अपने जो बटक से वो हील के ऊपर आएंगे, अपने दोनों हाथ थाइस के ऊपर। Keep your back straight, chest up. This is very good asana for meditation. The person who is suffering from knee pain, ankle injury, they will not perform this asana. Hold this asana for 30 to 1 minute. जैसे जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे इस आसन की, आप 1 मिनट 5 मिनट तक भी कर सकते हैं। Now release this asana. Slowly straight your left leg and now right leg. Okay, perform these 2 asanas daily. Goodbye and take care.